Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIY Tube video community. Got a new banner up in the air, and that's my new backdrop for videos when I feel like it. It's not going to be for all my videos, but I just wanted to put it up. It's pretty nice, pretty cool, and I've been itching to put it up on the wall. So there it is. Brief update. Been a lot going on outside of work. I have been working on videos again, not as aggressively as I'd like to. Still, the days are getting longer. I have more daylight hours on the homestead and more time to do my projects and experiments. Now, I have to get my thoughts straight as I'm doing this. Don't forget to go, and if you haven't joined for the ThruNite giveaway, the ThruNite flashlight giveaway, and if you haven't done that yet, do it now. I'll put the link down below, and you could win a $60 ThruNite flashlight / headlamp. This is a, well, I got it right here still. This is a headlamp with the headlamp mount and the band, or it can come out and it can be a flashlight shirt clip mount. Pretty cool universal thing. This one could be yours. One of you guys is going to get that for free. If you're in the US, I'm going to pay for shipping entirely. If you're overseas, depending on the cost, I might ask for help, but I'm going to pay up to a certain amount. I'm paying for it myself. This is I'm not getting anything out of this. I just happen to have a spare in the box. So check it out and sign up for your chance to get a ThruNite flashlight. By the way, I'm going to start doing a lot more giveaways from now on. I am having fun with that. I have some products that have been building up, and through the years I've purchased things that I wanted to give away and never got around to it. So I'm going to start doing that. So every week from now on we'll start doing a giveaway and having you go to DIY Tube to leave your comment to say, you know, I'd like to enter that giveaway or whatever. So go ahead and do that. Been working a lot on DIY Tube behind the scenes. We had some we had a DDoS attack. Some of you might not know what it is, some of you do, but that caused us to rework our security. We have a new firewall, new antivirus software in place. The site is scanned live 24/7. It was before, but now it's even more secure than ever before. So you can be very sure that it's safe and a secure place to go. Really rock solid firewall, so that's all turning out pretty good. Also have a new content delivery network, which means no matter where you are in the world, there's a mirror image of the site close to you to speed up delivery to you. So you should notice a lot faster loading times of the website. I am working on my electronics channel. I put up a new video, and I am setting up, I'm experimenting with Linux to replace Windows 10. I'm not going to go into all detail on why I hate Windows 10 right now, but through the years, if you've been watching my videos, you hear me complain about Windows 10 all the time. I'll be hardcore speed typing PHP programming or fast typing a letter or something, and boom, the computer reboots right now. We'll be sitting at home watching a movie, and all of a sudden, boom, it reboots right now. No warning, spontaneous reboot, and then you sit there for 30 minutes while it installs new updates. Doesn't matter when, and there's a lot of other complaints I have. I loved Windows XP when you had control over your system, and we were still allowed to use our computer when we wanted to. Windows 10 doesn't allow that. Anyway, so check that out. I'll put that link down below as well. And I did some stuff on my tactical channel, I believe, recently. I'm not sure. I've got a lot been going on. All the new stuff I'll put down below. Oh, I know. I'm back on the Patreon. I don't know why or what was going on, but Patreon was only showing a thumbnail instead of a video, and it was not putting a video link anymore, so it wasn't playable, and I was having some frustrating experiences. So I actually abandoned it again for a while, but now I've been regularly uploading again. Everything I do on any of my channels goes on Patreon, so go check that out. That link will be down below as well. And every little bit helps. Everybody that views that or checks it out, that'll help us, our family. So thank you for those who are still there and for your patience in all this time. But it's working again and everything's good. So that's it for now, guys. Just wanted to give you a brief update what's been going on behind the scenes and let you know about my other channels and my other work I'm doing. And a lot going on. I'm going to be doing a lot, or I should say we're going to be doing a lot on DIY Tube. So check it out and watch for updates. Things are really moving over there. So, talk to y'all later. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, DIY Tube Video, and the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tick the bell icon if you want notifications of videos being uploaded. Talk to you later.